My dear NPP people, any issue, you see, you are so desperate to bring NDC down. When you are desperate like that, you make mistakes. I keep telling you guys, John Mahama is an anointed man of God. If you want to popularize him, you end up being unpopularized. So just be careful about that. I kept saying, relax. We have this cocoa issue, relax. You guys didn't relax. They went to erect billboards in the cocoa communities. Did also a press conference on the cocoa farm. Hey! And all sorts of things, crying for the cocoa farmer. The cocoa farmer is an emotional party. That the government is paying them 2,600 instead of 3,500. Where is the balance for the farmer? Meanwhile, the world price has gone down. Now here we are. You were comparing us to Cote d'Ivoire. Cote d'Ivoire couldn't sustain whatever subsidy they were giving. So now they're going to buy the cocoa from the farmers at producer price of 1,227 cedis. Now you see your shame. So you see that even government of Ghana has even done better. Cocoa Board has done better. Randiabi has done better. JM has done better. Yes. 2,600 compared to now Ivory Coast is going to be 1,200. Do you know how to smuggle their cocoa into Ghana? No be smart thing. So you see, NPP, you see that everything on Pascal. All this demonstration and you do the demonstration, they can't chop your money. So how are you going to do demonstration for Ivory Coast farmers? How do you call demonstration in French? Like demonstration. And you do press conference. How do you say press conference in French? Les pressions, les confiances. And you came to Parliament with a sash, Miss Malaka sash, with cocoa Carrefour. Now you're going to do it for Cote d'Ivoire. How will you write that in French? Les coco, les Carrefour. Y'a moment, les ou les verts d'odor. NPP, relax. Don't do giddy like that. Il y a trop fort et il y a atio, les enfants, avec us, NPP motiasem, vous dites, ma somme n'a motiasem. Les gens le vont, les mecs pression, à pressionner, NPP, you cannot do shit.